Hello friends, welcome to the Radiator channel. So friends, today I will talk about Antec CX200M RGB Elite Micro-ATX tower case. So friend, Antec introduced the CX200M RGB Elite case. This is the third release in the last 48 hours to feature the pillarless front left corner, a design choice that enables a more unimpeded view of it inside. It is a Micro-ATX tower that comes in two trims, black and white, and a striking feature of the case is antennas including no less than 5 120mm RGB LED fans with the case, which one comes with installed along the rear, the compartment partition and top exhaust. As with most other pillarless corner case we have come across, the glasshouse only covers the upper compartment with the motherboard tray, and the bottom compartment has perforated holes along the left and front and is only accessible from the right panel and front. The motherboard tray offers room for graphics card up to 33 cm in length and CPU coolers up to 16.4 cm in height. Front mounts include a 120mm rear exhaust, two 120mm top exhaust, and two additional mounts along the partition that divides the upper and lower compartments and seals the bottom compartments. Panel have perforation. These fans essentially serves as intakes guiding air through the drive cage, and front radiator option include a 240mm along the top panel, second 240mm along the partition, and the drive cage can hold a 3.5-inch drive or 2.5-inch mounts, and front panel connectivity include two USB Type A, USB 3.1 port and 4 ports 3.5mm headset jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.